Alright, so guys, I found this locating railroad crossing here by the Goodwill store. This is CSX INMORTOL Railroad crossing, and this is where the location of where I'm gonna catch this CSX train is at.
No, man, he gonna catch it.
And this crossing has a E bell right here. I went to the other side of the railroad crossing and look what I see, guys. Right there, that's the CSX train right there. I just gotta see if it's gonna pass by this crossing right here, because if it does, I'll catch it and I'll record the CSX train, guys. This is just a signal to know that I'm taking this rail fanning serious. I'm not gonna be doing any more false videos. I'm doing real videos from now on.
Oh wow! Nobody all that. What you talking about?
I'm recording a video. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna be recording these trains in real life.
You got in real life before, like you ain't never done it.
All right, guys. We'll see you guys. We'll see you guys on the update of this crossing that I'm gonna go to today.